So hello people, another day, another day, and today we will be back on the series that we will be solving this good daily question. Today's question is 78, number subset, and in this we have to we'll be given an integer array nums and of unique elements, and we have to return all possible subsets, all possible subsets basically means the power set, and the set solution that must not contain any duplicate subsets, and we have to return the solution in any order. Okay, for example, for the nums array that is 1 to 3, an empty subset will also be counted as subsets, will also be counted as subset. Okay, so for this we are having the subset 1 2, then 1 2 1 3, then 3 alone, then 1 3 2 3, and 1 2 3 is in itself a subset for the whole array. Okay, so I hope everyone knows what a subset basically means, that we have to pick two elements without changing their relative order. Okay, and yeah, without changing their relative order. Okay, so for that, what we'll be having, let's consider that we are at this present index, and will be having that we can choose either this index or we cannot choose this particular index. So we'll be using that logic only to construct our answer. And for that, quickly, sorry, yeah. First of all, for that we'll have a list of integer. Let's call it the answer, that will be equal to a new array list. Okay, and okay. Now what we'll do is we'll call a function, let's say generate subsets subsets. In this, what I'll be doing is I'll be passing the nums array. Along with that, a new empty array list to keep a track of our of my current subarray, current subset. Okay, and at the end I'll return answer list. Now quickly write this method. I'll just copy the name. Okay, and in this we'll be having a nums array along with the new. Oh, okay, sorry, I forgot to pass the index. So let's have a list of integer first. Let's say this is my current, and also we'll be having a index, uh, and we'll be as usual starting from the zeroth index only. Okay, and so the base condition is that if nums dot if let's say index is equal to the length of the nums, then we have to do, we have to add my current subset into my answer array list. So answer dot add, here I'll be adding a new array list that will be current. Okay, and then we'll just simply return. Otherwise what we are having, we'll be adding my current array to my current nums index, index element of nums into my current subset, and then I'll call the function again, generate subsets with nums, my current, and my index plus 1. Similarly, what I'll do, then I'll be removing that particular the last element from the list, that is current dot size minus 1, and then I'll call the method again with nums, my current, and then my index plus 1. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, I'll tell you this as well, that why we are using a new array list instead of current, like why we are not adding current directly. Okay, so now let's run it once again. And so yeah, here we are getting wrong answer because my output comes out with this, because we are asking here the reference. So whenever like the reference pointer will change in the current let's say subject, so my current list will also get updated, which is present in the answer array. So here we are instead making it a new array list from current, and then we are storing it into our answer array. Okay. Now let's, yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.